Hey, welcome back. In previous video, we have seen how to use the single point track. And now in this video, I'm going to show how to use the single point track with the scale option. So first we'll create a composition. So when you play this footage, in this footage, the video is going to zoom. So it is going closer to the laptop here. So at that time, we need to use the scale options in the single point track so that it will scale the object according to the camera view. First, we'll create a single point track. So in order to do that, just we need to open a tracker panel. And just in this, we need to click on this track motion. So let's say we'll track this like Windows button. So just we'll select this. So what the thing is now after setting this track here, you will have an option called like scale. So first I will show you without enabling this scale option and what are the problems we are going to face. So now we will track this. So in order to track, just we need to click on this analyze forward. Okay, so now the tracking is done. So now we will attach any green screen footage. So for example, so let's say we will attach this green screen footage. So I will drag this into the composition. And now this is a green screen footage which I'm going to attach. So I will place this object onto the laptop here. So first of all, I have to remove this green screen. So in order to remove this green screen, just we need to select the footage, effects, keying, and we need to go to this key light. So we need to select the scale light and just we need to select the screen color. So I will select the screen color. So just we need to click on the green color which you want to remove. So just we need to click on this. Now the green color has been removed and also we need to remove this starting titles. So just I will trim this. So let's say now the titles are going to end this point. So in order to trim this left side, we need to press Alt, open square bracket. And now just I will drag to the first point. So now what the thing is, just we'll place it properly. So just we'll scale it. I will place here. And now what the thing is, before attaching this, make sure we need to place this anchor point to this position where we have tracked. As I explained in the previous video, we need to change the positions of the anchor point before attaching to the tracker point. So just I will select this and I will drag this onto here. And now we will attach this object to the tracker. So in order to do that, again, we need to go to this layer panel where we have tracked. So we need to select this footage and select this edit target. And after that, we need to select the video which you want to track. So select this video and click on OK. And just we need to click on this apply. OK. So see now the object has been attached to the track. And now we will face a problem. So whenever the camera is going front, actually what the thing is, the size of the object has to increase. But here in this case, the size of the object is decreasing. So we need to use that scale option so that it will maintain the size of the object. So we will see how to use that. So just I will delete the track, everything. Just again, I will start. So just I will drag this footage. And now we will track this. So go to this track motion. And now what the thing is, before tracking, we need to enable this scale option. So just we need to enable. And now we will place this. So just I will track this point here. So make sure you have to put the track one to the main point which you want to use as a tracker. So now the second tracker has to be placed at some point. So what the thing is, just I will track this M. Make sure this point has to not go out of the screen when you are using the tracker. So let it be like track M. And now we will click on this track. So now we have tracked this by using the scale option. So now we will see and we will insert the object. So just we'll place this green screen footage and now we will change the anchor point. And also what the thing is, we need to place the anchor point to the first tracker. So as we have used the two trackers to use this scale options. So track one is the main one. So we need to attach the anchor point to this main tracker. So just we need to place here. And now we will select the footage, go to the layer panel and just click on this edit target. And click on OK and apply. And see now whenever the camera zoom in, now the size of the object has been increased. So previously when we used only single point track, actually the size of the object has been decreased here. So according to this, we can scale the object by using the single point track. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we will see how to use the 4-point track. So see you there.